since we found so many dandelions, we're gonna try to make some dandelion jelly and eat it with peanut butter and bread. You already know what to do. Nice job. This dandelion has ants in it.
Ants in my pants, ants in my pants.
Man, my hands are yellow.
And they're so light.
Where? Let me see. Man, I gotta get some more dandelions over there. Oh. Hey, wait for me. Today on the Helpless Chef.
Today on the Helpless Chef.
What do we got, Nathan? What is this? Huh? Dandelions? What are we making with dandelions?
We got tons of them. They don't smell good.
Oh, yeah. They don't smell good? You gonna like it? Okay, let's get to work cleaning it up.
Okay.
First, let's measure how much we have. Okay, dump them in. Let's throw all of it in. Oh, wow. I didn't know we got that much. It smells like grass. Here, you guys smell. 11.5 ounces of dandelions. Okay, so now we need to cut them off. So we're going to take the dandelions and we're just going to cut the bottom part off. And all we want is the yellow and the white. So 2 cups. We're gonna pack it in. Okay, put more in. We got 4 ounces when we pack it in. Okay. Well, we're gonna refrigerate this.
Is it going to?
And we'll finish it tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, push them all down. It smells like grass. What's it smell like to you?
Grass.
Grass. We're making grass jelly.
Yeah.
You want to strain this?
You call me that.
Okay, see, you grab it like this. Just squeeze it in there. Hold it over there. And just squeeze it as hard as you can. Oh, I think I got all of this one. How about that one? 4 cups. So since we did 5 cups of tea, we're gonna put 5 cups of sugar. I measured this as 4. Nathan has another 1. Why are you eating sugar? No, stop. Stop eating sugar. Yep. Okay, lemon juice. That's the pectin. We got 4 tablespoons. That comes out to be about half a cup. Yeah, good job, Nathan. Keep mixing it. Just gonna add a little bit of citric acid. I don't know if we had enough lemon. And here you go, hold this.
I jelly.
Yeah, that's our dandelion jelly. Did it turn into jelly?
No.
No, what is it?
It's just liquid.
It's like dandelion syrup. It's like dandelion syrup, right? It's more like very liquidy honey. It does taste like honey though, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
More sweeter.
It's more sweeter than honey.
This is not sweet. Kind of like this sweet. The honey is more sweet.
Oh, honey's more sweeter. Okay.
Yeah.
So there you have it. Our dandelion jelly didn't turn out, but there are ways to fix it. So I'm gonna see if I can fix it. And we're gonna try doing other things with the dandelion jelly as well.
Popcorn seed? Popcorn dandelion seed.
Well, maybe.
Popcorn dandelion
If
seed.
the popcorn works, then maybe we'll add some dandelion jelly to it.
Dandelion popcorn!
Dandelion popcorn!
Dandelion popcorn!
Oh my goodness, okay.